You got a 1940 Ford Tudor, Oldsmobile Rocket 88, which back in the day when you had a flathead was the thing. Then after the flathead was the Oldsmobile engine. Everybody's putting them in the hot rods, you know. So if this might have came with a flathead V8, if you want to upgrade it, you go to the Oldsmobile Rocket 88. That's period correct to the max. Nice new interior though. Very nice looking interior. Brand new modern car. Which I'm sure it is. Looks like it's got a 4-speed automatic in there. Tilt steering wheel and all that. Center console. Looks like it's lowered slightly. You got a lot of room in here. Ford V8 40, Ford, and it's a 40. It's a 4T, and it's a Ford. That's cute. 4D. That's a good one. And you got your 5-spoke wheels on there. Massive swept style, steel styling. And I don't know, people bitch about those windows and they went to big glass, but you know what? It's sure easy to replace that glass if it ever broke, right? You think about it, right?